नमस्ते बच्चों, हिंदी कक्षा में आप सबका स्वागत है। होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। ओके, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू राइट ए लेटर इन हिंदी। पत्र लेखन। ओके, पत्र लेखन, लेटर राइटिंग। ओके, dear children, in Hindi there are two types of letter. How many types? Two types. Okay, वह इस प्रकार है, औपचारिक पत्र और अनौपचारिक पत्र। Listen here, two types of letter. औपचारिक पत्र, then second one, this is first one, second one अनौपचारिक पत्र। Okay, two types of letter is औपचारिक पत्र, अनौपचारिक पत्र। औपचारिक पत्र means formal letter. In English we will say formal letter. Okay, then अनौपचारिक पत्र means informal letter. Okay, these are the two types of letter writing. Okay, then dear children, औपचारिक पत्र, formal letter is used to send or give a letter of application to teachers, school or college, and official letter, etc. Okay, then in case of अनौपचारिक पत्र, informal letter, in case of अनौपचारिक पत्र, that is greetings, invitation, and gratitude, and our experiences are expressed through informal letters. Okay, today we will learn about औपचारिक पत्र. We will learn about this औपचारिक पत्र or formal letter. Okay, today we will learn about औपचारिक पत्र. All of you take your textbook and open page number 28. Here have one activity. सोचो और लिखो, think and write. गणित का गृह कार्य न कर पाने पर अध्यापिका को क्षमा याचना पत्र लिखो. Write an application to your class teacher for not doing maths homework. Here we want to write a application letter to our class teacher. Okay, then all of you look how to write letter in Hindi. Okay, first all of you write that question in your notebook. गणित का गृह कार्य न करने पर, गणित का गृह कार्य न कर पाने पर अध्यापिका को क्षमा याचना पत्र लिखो. क्षमा याचना पत्र लिखो. लुक क्वेश्चन, गणित का गृह कार्य न करने पर और कर पाने पर सेम मीनिंग. ओके, गणित का गृह कार्य न करने पर अध्यापिका को क्षमा याचना पत्र लिखो. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. इट्स मीनिंग, write an application to your class teacher for not doing maths homework. Okay, this is our question. Okay, then we can start. This is your question. This one you want to write in your notebook. Okay, okay, first all of you write सेवा में, सेवा में, सेवा में, सेवा में, सेवा में means to, to. Okay, this one you have to write in the left corner of your notebook. Okay, in the left corner of your notebook. सेवा में, सेवा में means to. Okay, below सेवा में you have to write the person's name and address. Here who is the person? Class teacher. Okay, class teacher. So all of you write here class teacher. What is the meaning of class teacher? कक्षा अध्यापक और अध्यापिका. Listen, dear children, if your teacher is a lady, you write adhyapika, otherwise you write adhyapak. Okay, then you write address, you write your school's name and address. Okay, Navabharat Central School, परम्बिल पीड़िगा और वलक्कंडी. ओके, वलक्कंडी. ओके, first you write सेवा में, सेवा में means to. Okay, and then you write कक्षा अध्यापिका, class teacher. Okay, you have to write the person's name and address. Okay, Navabharat Central School, Valakkandi. Okay, okay. This one you have to write in the left corner of your notebook. Okay, after this write Vishay, Vishay, Vishay. Vishay means subject, your topic. What is your topic? Your topic is गृह कार्य ना करने के लिए क्षमा याचना, means apologize for not doing homework. Okay, so write here your subject, your topic. गृह कार्य, गृह कार्य means homework. ना करने के लिए क्षमा याचना. Okay, listen children. First you have to in औपचारिक पत्र, in formal letter, first you have to write सेवा में. This one you have to write in the left corner of your notebook. Then you write कक्षा अध्यापिका, नवभारत Central School, Valakkandi, Valakkandi. Here have dot. Okay, Valakkandi. Below सेवा में, below सेवा में you have to write the person's name and address. Okay, listen, here I wrote adhyapika. If it is lady teacher, you write adhyapika, otherwise adhyapak. Okay, understood now? Okay, after this you have to write vishay. Vishay means subject, your topic. गृह कार्य ना करने के लिए क्षमा याचना. What is our topic? Apologize for not doing homework. This is our subject. Okay, after this Mahoday. Then you write Mahoday. This one also write in left side. Okay, Mahoday. Mahoday means, what is the meaning of Mahoday? Sir. Mahoday, sir. Okay. From here, after this, the body of the letter starts. Okay, listen here. Mahoday, sir. Savinay, how to write? First we want to apologize. No, सविनय निवेदन है कि सविनय निवेदन है कि सविनय निवेदन है कि means सविनय निवेदन है कि means I humbly request. I humbly request that. What? आज मैं गणित का, गणित मीन्स मैथ्स, मैथमेटिक्स, ओके, गणित का गृह कार्य कक्षा में प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई, प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई. Dear children, if you girl, you write pai. If you are boy, you write paya. Okay. If girl, pai. If it is boy, you write paya. नहीं कर पाया. Okay. पाया, प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई और पाया. For girl, पाई. For boys, पाया. Okay. जिसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहती. For girls, चाहती. Boys, for boys, चाहता. ओके, चाहता हूँ. ओके, लिसन. सविनय निवेदन है कि आज मैं गणित का गृह कार्य कक्षा में प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई और पाया, जिसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहती और चाहता हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. I humbly request that today, आज मैं गणित का गृह कार्य कक्षा में प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई. आज मैं गणित का गृह कार्य कक्षा में प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई. Today I couldn't present the homework of mathematics in the class. Okay. जिसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहती हूँ. जिसके लिए, for which I apologize. Okay, for which I apologize. सविनय निवेदन है कि आज मैं गणित का गृह कार्य कक्षा में प्रस्तुत नहीं कर पाई, जिसके लिए मैं क्षमा चाहती हूँ. I humbly request that today I couldn't present the homework of mathematics in the class, for which I apologize. Okay. After this you have to write your reason. What is the reason? Here you want to write your reason. After this you want to write reason. Why didn't you write your homework? Okay. After this you want to write the reasons, your reasons. Why didn't you write your homework? Okay. That one you have to write here. Okay. That one you have to do by yourself. Okay. This is your homework. Understood? This one you want to do yourself. Okay. Here you want to write your reason. After this, you have to write one more sentences. आशा है आप मुझे क्षमा कर देंगी. After this, okay, after completing your reason, okay, after finished your reason, then you write आशा है आप मुझे क्षमा कर देंगी. ओके. आशा है आप मुझे क्षमा कर देंगी. होप यू विल फॉरगिव मी. आशा है, होप. ओके. आशा मीन्स होप. आशा है आप मुझे क्षमा कर देंगी. होप you will forgive me. Okay. With this the body of letter is finished. Okay. Then you write धन्यवाद. This one also you write in left side. Okay, dhanyavad means thank you, thank you, that all of you know. Then here write aapki. If your teacher is lady, write aapki, otherwise write aapka. Okay, this aapki, aapka, same meaning, but if it is lady, aapki, otherwise aapka. Okay, then one more thing, listen. If you are a girl, write chhatra. For boys, chhatra. Listen, if you are girl, write aapki chhatra. If you are boy, write aapka chhatra. Understood? Then here write your name. Okay, here you want to write name, here you want to write your name. Okay, your name. Okay, name and class. Okay, you write here, write your name. Okay, after this write dinank. Dinank means date. Here also date, you want to write that day's date. Okay, okay, that's all about our formal letter, our aupacharik patra. Okay, then dear children, I gave a small work for you, that here you want to write your reason. Okay, that reason you have to write. Okay, all of you do your work by your own and submit to me personally. Okay, I hope all of you understood aupacharik patra lekhan means formal letter writing. Okay, in the next class we will learn anaupacharik patra lekhan. Okay, then see you in the next class. Okay, dhanyavad.